Go.
Una de Boer, I accept your ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. As a good product manager, of course, the first thing I did was went online and did my competitive research. And there was quite a bit of work there. I was a little bit afraid of this whole ice thing, so I was looking for a way that I might be able to get out of it. And but I was informed by my budding lawyer daughter that the Barack Obama excuse is not a legal excuse. So I'm going to have to bail on that one. I did some further research and I was pretty excited when I found out that Conan O'Brien said I'd get paid $150. Again, my lawyer daughter informed me not going to work that way. So I guess I do have to make the Ice Bucket Challenge as you suggested. But I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I looked to see what were the top competitors. Well, Paul Bissonnette, you win the prize with the helicopter and the glacier. I don't have that kind of budget, and frankly, I don't even have Bill Gates' budget that he used for his. What I have, though, is I have this for my pourer. She'll be flying in the Whistler helicopter. And Una, apologies, that's the closest I could get to the Copper Trade Green. And Alex and Bach, you'll have to forgive me. Now Glenn, I know Glenn Nichols, I know that you're going to be very concerned about safety. So I wanted you to see right here, we've got a full CUL certification on the ice bucket. And Dave, Stephen, I know that you wanted me to do a bit of a plug for IntelliWeb and Kaizen working together, but Una said I was not allowed to talk about it, and I certainly wasn't allowed to put the logo on the bucket. So I'm sorry about that. My final thing I'd like to do is I want to call out 3 people. Turns out that we've got such an amazing company that everybody else has been called out already. So who I want to call out? I want to call out Jeff Davenport from Corvus, and I want to call out Joy Jones from Calgary, get her done, and I want to call out Doug Sutcliffe. Let's spread this around. Go ahead.